So, hello and welcome everyone. My name is Amit Patel, and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. If you are new to this channel, then on this channel, I share ideas, insight, tools, and tactics that can take your career from wherever it is in the software industry to an epic level of success. So, if you want to be successful in your career, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Let us begin. Girish, sir, what is the future of BPM automation tools like Pega, Apipan? Should one switch to Java full stack instead? Actually, I'm a fresher trained in Java full stack and then forced to work on Pega by the company. Okay, which company is this? Which is making you work on Pega? See, one thing is that tools are tools. I would say that it is better to become a carpenter than just a person who can use a drill machine. Are you getting my point? So, Pega is a tool. Anybody can learn Pega. Okay. Also, somebody can easily replace you. Okay, so it is better if your company is not giving you opportunity to work in programming projects. You keep asking your company for a programming project, you tell them. Otherwise, I would say, while you are working on Pega tool, okay, start learning whatever industry you are supporting in the BPM. You start a specialization in that. On the side, on your own, you do some certification of programming which will give you a certificate where you have also done project, okay, to show that I can do project in, let's say, full stack development or whatever you want to do project in, like in Java, anything that you want to learn. You take a certification, because then what will happen is, using that certification, you can jump into companies where they are using that particular programming language and they are making sure that you will work on that programming language as a software engineer and not as just a somebody who's managing a tool. Are you getting my point? So I know that companies do this with freshers a lot, and what you have to do is, you have to become capable that your company moves you from that place. But you should not be frustrated with this. Okay, if you become frustrated, that frustration will come in your work. In your work, you should be the best. Your manager should appreciate you. Okay, so much that someday your manager asks you what you want to do, you should be able to say, you know what, really I don't want to work on this, I want to do Java programming, can you help me with that? Okay, and maybe if your manager is good, he will help you to move out from that into something. Or you can talk to your HR team or whoever it is, whom you can ask that this is what I wanted to do, but currently I'm working on this which I'm not enjoying. Is there a way to come out of this, and what is the process? Okay, it is better always to talk to your manager and then talk to your HR, so that the manager does not feel bad, and there is a chances that the manager will help you with making that transition. Girish, sir, how can I develop myself as a full stack developer while working on Pega? I can't leave Pega for at least 1 year. So, as I mentioned, you do a certification for full stack developer. That is the best path for you, so that you focus on Pega, you do your work properly, you make sure that you deliver whatever is the job that you have to deliver for your company. Every day, set at least 1 hour or 2 hours of your time in the evening, in the night, whenever you get the time, okay, and put your time in that certification, where you will also get a certification where you can also do a project. Okay, I have a website called amitpatels.com where there is a resources page. On that resources page, I have a lot of courses which are there, and you can check those courses where you will find this. I think Java full stack developer course you will find, and you can do that proper certification, so that when you have a proper certification, when you start applying for jobs, you can show this certification, you can also show your experience with that, and you can show your Pega tool experience that, look, I was working in this industry, and to move to this industry, I did my learning on my own. Okay, but in this industry, these are the things I have learned. Okay, so that you can combine that knowledge and become much better as a applicant or as a uh, job applicant. Okay, I will be linking my program how to become A players. If you are already in a job and if you are thinking of growing in your job, then this how to become A players will help you. Next live will be on Thursday at 9:05, and see you in the next live. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone.